next question goes. Question on the board says, question regarding this week's parasha. When Abraham claimed Sarah was his sister in Egypt, is it lack of Bitachon for Abraham to hide the truth?
So that's a very, very famous question. There is written books on the answer to this question, because it looks like out of all of the people, right, he was ready to jump into the fiery furnace, right, and then now he said, she's my sister. So what Avraham is doing? So I'm going to give you like short answer, and short answer is that we're not allowed to count on miracles. So, and when he went to Egypt, he knew that these people are low lives, right? It was known fact, and they like if you draw the parallel second time when he said that she's my sister, it was to Avimelech's people, Plishtim, right? And when Avimelech, he considered himself very righteous person, right? When HaShem came to him in a dream, and HaShem said, "Look, you're about to be with a married woman," and he said, "Look, I did not know that she's married." So this guy Abraham told everybody that she's his sister. So how did we know? So you want to kill the whole innocent, like you want to kill the innocent nations, or I think he said righteous nation, because of this, because we did not know, we were misinformed, and it's very interesting. So Rabbi Dessler Datzal explains. So why would Abraham say that she's my sister? And the answer is simple, because he said, well, when he answered Avimelech only when he asked him 3 times. On the 3rd time he answers. Why? Because there is, first 2 times he ignored. On the 3rd time he answered, and he said, because there is no fear of God in Europe. So when a person does not have a fear of God, so that they can simply kill. They can kill me and take my wife, right? Because they don't have a fear of God. And people, and these people, these arrogant people, they're going to rationalize, right? So yes, with a married woman we're not allowed to be, but with a widow there is no problem. Yeah, you can marry the widow. So how do you meet widow? It's very simple. You kill your husband, and here we go. You meet the widow. You understand? So that's there's no logic reasoning with people who do not have Yirat Shamayim. So it's same as here, like we're not allowed to count on the miracle. We're not allowed. So it was if he would say that she's my wife, they simply know what to do. But if he would say she's my sister, so now he's like in charge of her in her marriage, and people would come and say, okay, look, I want to marry your sister, and Abraham would say, okay, that's a very good offer. Let me think about what you're going to give me, and he would say, I'm going to give you such and such amount of golden coins, this and that. So nah, that's not good enough. So let me see. I'm still shopping around. Like he would procrastinate the answer, and he would be able to survive as a brother. So brother, they're not allowed to kill. I mean, there is he's not an obstacle. You understand? So if he said that he's a brother, so there are more chances that for him to survive. Did he know that they're going to abduct you? Absolutely not. Maybe yes, maybe no. So we try not to rely on miracles and do in a natural order of things. And Hashem is, if he decides to save us, he's going to save us. If not, not. Right? But never count on miracles. That's a short answer to the thing. Right? So, and remember that all of these arrogant people that think that they are righteous, they have no idea. Even if you test them under the lie detector, they're going to pass. They are righteous. And how Abraham how did it enter his mind to play a trick with them like this? Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome. What else?